What's good, y'all? Your boy Jay back here, another quick video. Just got off work and I got a few things to take care of because, you know, work never stops around this mug. But last week I got my first rental with the Corvette, and right beforehand I blew the speaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed today because I have another rental scheduled for this weekend, another rental scheduled after that, and the car is pretty much gone all month, which is good and bad because it's my birthday month and I don't have any cars to drive. But the M6 is rented on my birthday, this is rented on my birthday, so guess I'll be in the Skyline. But yeah, so we're just gonna get this replaced real quick and get the better speaker in here because I don't want whoever I don't want the renter to deal with rattly speaker. So should be quick. We're gonna knock this out and step through the process. So it's pretty simple. You have to remove this little plastic piece here. I swear to God that this pick tool is literally the most useful tool I have. I bet this works without jacking anything up. And we're off. Get that off. Remove this panel here. Just pull it up. And I'm gonna use the tool again. That gives you access to this little silver clip here, which is holding in the button to open the door, and you want to compress that so you can push this button out, well, this whole panel out. It frees up another 10 mil. So once everything's free, you got a 10 mil here, you got 10 mil there, and then the two T25s at the bottom. And then you can just work the door panel loose with the pry tool and some brute force, but try not to overdo it. Hopefully when I'm finished, this will line up again and it'll be flush. But honestly, I don't know if it lined up beforehand because I didn't check. So check before you do it because it might not line up, so it might not be anything to worry about. But yeah, I think that's it for the pro tips. So once all the screws are out, I recommend pulling from the right side or the closest to the inside of the car, because pulling from the outside first, the panels will start to separate from top and bottom, and you don't really want to do that. So I'll recommend pulling from the inside part first. There's also a few special clips inside the door where you're going to have to pull back on the red tabs before compressing the clip part. So what do y'all think? Sounds pretty blown to me. So despite all the rattle and shit, all the rattle and stuff you get in the door of the Corvette, and all the rattle period, I'll say, the speaker is glued. So now that's something else I need to think about when I replace it to put the other one back in. I'm gonna look through. I might have some sealer to put on it, but yeah, it's glued, so there's something to think about. Now I gotta pry it off. I'm gonna grab the heat gun, maybe heat this up and pull this off. It's because the speaker's definitely blown. I'll probably test it one more time to be sure before I pull it out, but the speaker needs to come out, so this has to happen. So I was wrong. The new speaker comes with a rubber seal already. You don't need any additional glue or anything like that. Reheat it with the heat gun once I got it on there, but that's it. And the new speaker just plugs in. Simple. Alright. There's sound. No rattle, we're good. Let's go ahead and put this back together. So my dog is barking and making this impossible to use, but speaker's back on, put the door panel back, and should be good to go. Penny! Shut up! Okay, so that was not fun, but this mission was a success. I hope this found you. Job is done, speakers replaced. Hopefully the my dog is annoying. Hopefully the next renter actually listens to music, because it would suck for me to have done this and then not even care at all. But it's done, it's finished. I'll probably save myself. We'll find out, because I'm gonna clip it in here how much that would have costed if I called the dealership. But yeah, man, if you found this helpful, please leave a like. Consider subscribing. You know, I do this all the time. I got a bunch of cars, a bunch of rentals going on, and we on the road to being extraordinary. So y'all be cool, man. I'm about to get out of here.